Dear friends, today we're going to make an incredibly delicious quesadilla that takes no more than 15 minutes to prepare. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make an incredibly delicious quesadilla that you can enjoy for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'd love it if you left a comment on this video and shared your thoughts after making this quesadilla. Also, let me know which country you're from. It would be really interesting to find out where else people are making similar dishes using my recipes. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll finely chop the onion. Try to chop all the ingredients into small pieces. It'll taste better that way. Next, we will finely chop the mushrooms. I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel to discover more simple and delicious recipes. Put the chopped mushrooms in a separate plate. Then we'll finely chop the bell pepper. Now we need to toss the chopped vegetables in a bowl with your favorite spices. I usually use salt, ground black pepper, and dried sweet paprika. We'll use this mixture later. Now, mix all the chopped vegetables well until you have a smooth mixture. Now, friends, we need to grate the sausages. You can use any type of sausage you like. It'll only make cooking this dish even more enjoyable for you. We also need to grate some cheese, which will add a special flavor to our quesadilla. And of course, Now we need to mix all the ingredients in a separate bowl with our favorite spices and chopped fresh dill and parsley. Now we need to whisk the eggs and milk together so we can use them later in our recipe for a delicious quesadilla. Now that all our ingredients are ready, we can get started on preparing the dish. To do this, we'll need to melt a little butter in a preheated pan. Once the butter has melted in the pan, add a little of the onion, mushroom, and bell pepper mixture that we prepared earlier. Continue cooking for a few minutes until the vegetables are partially cooked. Once the vegetables have browned slightly, add the beaten eggs and milk, and cook until the eggs are partially set. Next, we need to place a corn tortilla on top of the eggs. Wait a few moments. This is so the corn tortilla sticks to the eggs. Then, flip the tortilla with the eggs over to the other side. Then, add the sausage and cheese mixture onto the tortilla. Fold the tortilla in half so that the sausage and cheese mixture is inside. Continue cooking for a few minutes so the cheese can melt inside. Then, flip it over so the quesadilla is crispy on both sides. So our quesadilla is ready. Just look at how beautiful it turned out. It's a shame I can't convey the aroma and taste through this video, but I hope you'll try making this yourself and see for yourself. And please give me a like and subscribe to my channel as a thank you.